So by changing your DNS and using some advanced technology ways that you guys can hide and mask the things that you guys do so your ISP can't just like see things easily. So like if you're downloading a lot of games and you get throttled a lot, this can help make everything just much faster, but it's not the saving method. VPN and proxies are always better, but this is another free way, and kind of does help get DDoS protection, and your IP does change in different ways. But again, so simplifying it, let's just get to it. So what you guys want to do is you guys just want to copy everything that I got. Now, if you guys are in this should work in a different country. Okay, so advanced network, go to your network and then just pull up your adapter. So we got this. I've already got these, but you guys want to copy this one, and then there's a different one you guys want to copy too. So type in 1111 and then 1.0.0.1. This is just for the IP4. And then we're gonna go to the IP6 next. Alright, and then hit validate settings upon exit. Now, what that's gonna do is, so when you're using IP4, it's gonna make sure it's not getting targeted. Like they have like this DNS is very secured, like their protection and everything, and it's not perfect. Like it can't just like save you from hackers, but it makes a dumb hacker think a little bit. You feel me? So if it's not like a advanced type of dude that doesn't know what he's doing, let's just compare a script kiddie who just clicks on stuff and it does things, compared to someone that codes things. Those are a big difference. So for IP6, now what you guys want to do is you guys just want to copy this code. So this is the best one. So you guys want to hit 2606477. I'm gonna have this all in the description in the comments. Just look it down there, okay? And then you just hit that. Boom. And it should do this. And if you guys want, you guys can go to your CMD and then hit DNS. Got the command. Is it IP command? I think it's IP convert flash, or I don't remember it. IP config flush DNS. Okay. So it's IP confirm flush DNS. You type this and it should make sure you're running the newest one. And that's it, guys. Very simple. Everything's going to be in the comments and the commands, and just copy and paste it, okay? That's all you guys need to do.